All right, this boat is being a pain in the butt. Everybody says at idle, go ahead and turn on the batteries. At idle, it chug-a-lugs along and has an idle issue. So I don't know if it's an idle air control valve or what do you call it? There's a throttle position. These Yamahas have that throttle position sensor. Stumbling a little bit here. Yeah, it sounds like it's having a, sounds like an air leak in here. Somebody put the intake on this? No. You hear that hissing sound? I hear it. Can't remember if it's this one, it's the adjustable one of these. I don't mess with a lot of Yamaha junk. I try not to anyways. Actually, I mess with too much Yamaha junk. Oh! I'm pretty sure it's this one. But I hear a leak. And somebody has grease all over this. So I'm wondering if somebody pulled this intake off and didn't put it back on right. Huh. Alright, wish me luck. I'm going to turn this motor off before I end up wrapped around it.